Will you believe me if I tell you that her lifelong deafness was cured by a sneeze? In 1973, 22-year-old Jean Haynes from the UK, who worked in a car factory, found out that she was allergic to plastic foam. Due to this allergic reaction, she started sneezing and continued for 6 hours. She was transferred to another department but had one last sneeze, and suddenly she started hearing sounds. Doctors said that her sneeze may have removed the blockage, which she had in the tube connecting her nose and ears. After her auditory senses returned, Miss Haynes said that she had trouble sleeping and she could now hear noises.